stop digging through that cluttered junk drawer for a pair of batteries that probably died 3 years ago. There is nothing worse than being right in the middle of a complex repair only to have your gear give up on you. This is why the shift toward rechargeable tech in the world of diagnostics is such a massive win for everyone. I am looking at a new multimeter that ditches the old school battery door entirely. It relies on a modern charging port. Most of us have these cables scattered all over our houses already. You plug it in for about 4 hours and you are set. That gives you a solid 10 to 15 hours of runtime. That is a lot of troubleshooting. You could map out every circuit in your house on a single charge. When you first pull this out of the box, you see the manual and the cable, but the unit itself is what grabs your attention. It feels like a piece of modern electronics rather than something found in a dusty workshop from decades ago. The standout feature is definitely that color screen. Most of us are used to those dim, liquid crystal displays that you have to hold at just the right angle to read. This is different. It is vibrant. It is clear. It provides a level of high-definition clarity that makes a huge difference when you are working in a dark corner of a basement or under the hood of a car at dusk. The colors help you differentiate between modes and readings instantly. Then there's the auto mode. This is perfect for anyone who feels a bit intimidated by all the symbols on a standard dial. You do not have to guess if you are looking for volts or ohms. The device does the heavy lifting for you. It simplifies the operation so you can focus on the actual repair instead of fiddling with settings. This creates a much faster workflow. You get in, you get your reading, and you get out. It is all about accuracy without the headache. For a long time, these tools felt like they were only for pros who did this every single day. Now, this kind of technology is accessible to anyone who wants to fix a broken lamp or check their car battery. The build quality feels tight. It is responsive. There is no lag when you are switching between tasks. It really changes the way you approach home maintenance. You start looking for things to test just because it is so easy to use. The transition to a color interface makes the data feel more alive and less like a math problem. It is a significant leap forward in making technical tools feel more human-friendly. If you are still using a tool that requires you to carry around a spare pack of batteries, you are living in the past. This is a much more streamlined experience. It is efficient. It is smart. It is exactly what modern DIY looks like. Everything you need is right there in one compact package. The manual explains the various capabilities clearly so you are never left guessing. It is a reliable partner for any project you have lined up. It really changes the game for quick diagnostics. You can trust the accuracy. You can appreciate the speed. It makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a simple check. No more hunting for specialized batteries. No more struggling with a dim display. Just pure functional power in the palm of your hand. It is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why we settled for the old way for so long. The unit is sleek. The color screen pops. It makes every reading feel definitive. Whether you are a weekend warrior or just someone who needs to check a fuse once a year, this is the tool that makes life easier. It is clear that the future of home tools is all about removing friction, and this device does exactly that with style and precision.